Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Mr. Rizka and Alfred. Let me introduce myself. I am Wina Widyasuti as the moderator who will lead this presentation. First, let me introduce the member of our group one, namely.
My name is Deta Putra Pratama.
My name is Samuel.
My name is Pamela.
My name is Siti Ramadan.
My name is Siti Maria. The topic we will cover today is credit structure. To start, we will first explain the core material which will be delivered myself. Background. In the financial world, especially in the banking and non-banking financial institution sector, the credit granting process plays a very important role. Credit is one of the main sources of income, but it also carries significant risk. Therefore, an analysis system is needed that can accurately and objectively identify the eligibility of prospective data. This is where the role of a credit analyst becomes. A credit analyst is responsible for analyzing credit risk and determining whether a credit application is eligible for approval. This process not only focuses on the borrower's financial data, but also consider various factors as market condition, business reputation, and business prospect. Therefore, a good understanding of the work structure, roles, and process undertaken by a credit analyst is crucial, especially for those involved in the financial industry.
Definition of credit. Credit is the proportion of money or equivalent claims based on an agreement or borrowing arrangement between a bank and another party, which requires the borrower to repay their debt within a certain period with interest. In general, credit can be defined is trust given by a creditor to a debtor to use money or goods for a certain period. Credit is not limited to lending funds, but also includes the assessment of the risk associated with providing such credit. Therefore, it is essential to understand the legal, economic, and financial aspect underlying the concept of credit.
Credit structure. Credit structure is the framework that outlines how credit is structured and provided by financial institutions to debtors. It includes key elements such as loan, amount, term, interest, type, payment, collateral, and other terms and conditions. The objective of establishing a credit structure is to ensure that credit is granted in a healthy and measured manner, both in terms of the borrower's eligibility and the protection of the credit provider.
Theoretical foundation and credit principles. Credit definition. Credit is the provision of funds or plans based on agreement requiring repayment with interest in 9%
debtor. Credit structure includes loan amount, terms, interest type, payments, model, collector, and terms to exert sound credit granting. Credit analyst role responsible for collecting financial data, assessing credit risk, recommending approvals, and structuring credit alignment with risk profile. Credit analyst principles assess 5C character, capacity, capacital, collateral, condition, personally, purpose, payment, protection, stability, party, frameworks to evaluate credit for states.
Credit structure component and process. Credit structure component: loan amount, term, duration, interest rate, fixed or floating, payment schedule, collateral, terms and conditions. Credit analysis process. Data collection, feasibility analysis using 5C and 7P, determining credit component, credit proposal preparation, monitoring and evaluation.
Credit analysis principles and case studies. Credit analysis principles includes prudence, fairness, transparency, feasibility, and risk control to ensure sound credit decisions. Applying 5C and 7P evaluates capacity, capital, collateral, condition, and personal and business prospects for comprehensive credit assessment. Case studies and simulation. Use your raw data to simulate repayment ability, analyze defaults, and assess credit structure based on changing condition. Credit structure application and challenge. Credit evaluation is practice, regular assessment of repayment, finalizing checks, and risk adjustment, user report and broader communication. Credit analysis role. Recommend broader eligibility, credit structure, and risk mitigation strategy. Will monitoring credit post approval, charge and solution, incomplete or inaccurate data, economics, this moral hazards and information assessment. Limits technology simulation involve better data verification, technology use, strict control, and ongoing analysis training.
Conclusion: credit structure is fundamental for safe lending, requiring deep understanding of loan component and risk assessment using 5C and 7P principle. Analysts face challenges like data pricing and economic change, needing effective mitigation strategies. The role of credit analyst is crucial in assessing debtor eligibility using the 5C and 7P principle. The analysis helps evaluate risk and formulate a credit structure that fits the prospective debtors' condition and capability. In practice, challenges such as inherent data economic change and moral hazard must be addressed through appropriate and sustainable mitigation strategies.
Okay, thank you for